I like trains.
All right, we got a man on second. I just saw a KCS Golden Goat or a Gray Ghost on Q409. There's a train. Q409 with KCS. There's two KCS. And we're out. Focus.
I can't see it.
There it is.
Where?
Damn it. Zoom. There it is. KCS Gray Ghost right there. KCS.
Are you to post this?
Maybe. That's Q409. That was a KCS Gray Ghost.
Where?
We're at Camden Yards. I got it. Oh my gosh, that was actually it.
And proof that you're at the
That was
stadium, turn
a
around.
KCS Gray Ghost is rare.
Turn around and proof
No,
that you're
I
at the
can't. That is Q409. Wow. KCS Gray Ghost is rare as anything. Sorry, it's not the greatest video, but you can definitely see the train back there.
It's a great place for me.
Wow, it's short. The end already passed the Howard Street Tunnel. Wow, that was it. I cannot believe I just saw that. I am lucky. That is Q409 heading to Waycross, Georgia from Camden Yards. I don't know what the locomotive numbers are for the CSX. There's the end of the train. Wow, hope you guys enjoyed that.